Hi, Dream Crypto here. On the last bull run, I did a mistake that I reinvest almost all of my profit that I got from crypto into other crypto assets. After that, I decided that I need to actually take profit and spend it. One of my many is Etherfi that I have found is the best right now. If you have any other options, please let me know in the comments below. But before I go more into the video, just take 10 seconds and listen to this. Hi, Dream Crypto here. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. And there we are back. Let's start to open the app. This is the Etherfi homepage. Let's open the app. Oh, why I showing the Etherfi? It's because I really like it. It's you say get both the possibility to spend your crypto, but also to yield on it on the same time. So to be able to spend your crypto, you have to do a KIC to get a credit card. The credit card can be both physical or you can take a virtual one. You get both. I have used the virtual one so I can add it to my phone like Google Pay or Apple Pay. It works very good with paying in different shops, on the supermarket, on the electric store, or also to buy stuff over the internet. So what I'm liking more that you can spend is that you have a cashback system. Right now you get 3% cashback on everything that you spend, and the normal, is a limit, or the normal cashback is 2. And you also have some extra, is a that you can participate some events. So right now it's 10% cashback on food. To add funds, easy. Just press add funds. Here you can use a difference from exchange or your crypto wallet, or you can share a deposit or a bank transfer. This is the one I use. And you can see here it's a lot of different change, Arbitrum Base and Ethereum. And I use Base for the most part. And the tokens is pretty much USDC, ETH, Etherfi. The only one you maybe need is USDT and ETH or wrapped ETH. The deposits takes a roughly 1 to 2 minutes. And we can come back to the vault. The vault is the main page here. You have 2 different ways to spend your deposits. You can either spend it directly, direct pay, or you can actually have a borrow mode. That means that you borrow against the capital that you have deposit. So if you have deposit $100, you can actually borrow against that, spend it with a 4% borrow rate. Just have that in mind if you choose that. I don't, I use direct pay. You can set spend priority also. So if you have both USDC and USDT, or they are liquid USD, so you can choose which one you want to spend on first. I would recommend, if you have liquid USD that you also get a yield on, you spend that stable that it's not yield bearing. And when you have deposit, we say like stablecoin, you can press then earn liquidity or earn more. Here we can see you actually have a 6% API on their stablecoins for 14 days. We can check the 19 days, still over 6. And you also see here how they are positioning their stable, and that they have over 10% unallocated, so you get some fast withdrawals. And how you do it's to make a deposit again. After you deposit the money into Etherfi, you can go to deposit and you choose what's stable, the amount, and deposit. Then you will get their liquid USD and earn 6%, 6.54 right now. And you can also spend that money if you want to, or like we said in the beginning, you set the spend priority to USDC and let the liquid USDC be for the moment. If you got low amount of USDC, it will jump over to that one that it's higher if needed. And we can see, let's click on earn more also. Yeah, you have the same for ETH, 4%, ETC, 2.5%. I think that's actually up from yesterday. I think it was 0.9. And you have the liquid USD. You also have Hype and Katana ETH. I have not tried anything of these two, but ETH, BTC, and USDC I have used. They also have their own token, Etherfi, a governance token that you can buy and deposit to get some API. What more can I say? Yeah, the cashback you are giving, or the cashback that you get when you are spending with your card, can be on Etherfi, you can get it in Scroll, and also in some Wrapped ETH sometimes. And you can easily convert that to stable. Just press convert, and you choose the one you want to convert from, and you choose what you want to convert to. Easy, fast, and I don't seen that they take any fees for it. So that you like the basic. And we can also see the membership. Here is the membership bar. We are on basic one. That's called core level. And you can see we need 10,000 more points to get to Lux. So they have some different benefits. But we can check here is how you earn more points. The biggest one I think is that you actually buy their governance token and stake it. Their point system is refreshing for every month. So if you have gone up to the luxury, say benefits, it will reset on the next month. So if you want to stay ahead all the time on the top benefits, I would recommend to look into buy Etherfi and take it if you planning to spend a lot of money. We can check some core benefits. Like I said, you have a 3% cashback. You have a referral also. I will post my referral link. Feel free to use it. You don't have to. Some bonus reward on their Etherfi governance tokens. You have some travel perks that you can use. And here also the next level. Not so they're much different. Actually a metal card, reduce fees, so on. Let's see if we can find the different here. Sub-member benefits. So you can see it's almost support, conference, event pass, oranges. That is the stuff you are missing out, like on the core side. But I feel like you have the most basic and important stuff actually already on the core. It's more about the point system, and here you have details more about the cards. Virtual cards, you can actually have 3 of them, so you can set like one to spend on regular stuff, one that you have on for like you say subscription, and another for like your kids if you want to, and you can keep it to refilling them with crypto. And we have not so big or different, and we can jump back to the vault. So this is like a short, just check through on the Etherfi that I like very much, and I hope it will give you some options how you can spend your crypto. I hope you find this video interesting and helping you, and until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.